So this is the QR code. Now you went to a conference, let's assume you went to a conference. Now you want to get the contact information of a person. So that person will just show the QR code. You just have to scan the QR code. So I'm just gonna scan this QR code. You see, the moment I scan, it has come as a contact. So it's asking me with that information. So Sammy Rami, give me challenge, phone number, everything is there, along with the address is there. So I just have to click on this tick mark. The moment I click on tick mark, that contact is saved. So this is that easy. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much. Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you how you can create your own business card using QR code. So if you're someone who likes to visit various conferences, meetings, you might meet a lot of people. So how do you exchange your contact information? So normally, traditionally, what we used to do is we used to give business cards, but it is easy to lose, and people might lose track of business cards these days, which is physical cards. And in terms of environment, also it is not good because it's something which is printed on paper. So that is where we have to look for innovative ways. That is where I will suggest vCard QR code, using which you can have an image of a QR code with you, which you can share it with someone. So they just have to scan it, or you could just keep it as a picture in your mobile phone. So if somebody asks for your contact information, you just show that QR code and they will just scan that and they can save your contact information directly in their phone. So it's an interesting concept. So I will show you from scratch how to build it. So you will get the URL of this tool in the comment box and also in the description. So if you have any questions regarding that, please feel free to drop a comment and I will try to answer as much questions I can. So if you go here, you have to put in the name. I'll say Sammy Rami. I'm just putting one name. If I want to put in information, I'll put a contact. Okay, that is my contact. I'll put email ID. I'll say I'm the founder of it. Okay, I can put the street address. I'll put So I'm putting all this information here. Now I'll say generate QR code. There is an option to scan the tracking. When somebody is reading this information, that is they are scanning this information, it will alert you how many times it was tracked. You can do that too. For that you have to just turn on scan tracking option, but that will you need to log into this tool. If you don't want to log into this tool, you just say generate your QR code. So now here you see the frame option, various frame that is available. I'm just going with the default frame. I can also change the shape, color, and I can add the logo also. But what all those things are fancy things, you don't need it. I'll just say generate QR code. Now if I say generate QR code, it has already generated that QR code. So this is print quality. This is something which I can download. If I click on download, it's asking me to do a free sign up for if I want to track and change the color, logo, all those things. Otherwise it will just generate a QR code for me. It's generating that QR code and it's going to download that information. So let it download that information. So it's just saving it. Your QR code is being generated. Please do not refresh. That's what it says. So let me close this I think it's already downloaded. So let it download. So you can also scan from here. So I'll show you how you can give this information out to the people when you meet in a conference. Okay, so let me go in here and say download. Okay, it is downloading my desktop. Okay, so once it is downloaded, I have the QR code. So let me open it up. So this is the QR code. So this is the all information that you need in your mobile phone. You can just print it out and keep it with you in your wallet, or you could just show it in your phone. So what happens is that when somebody logs into, I mean, they open their phone and scan it using their QR code scanner, then they can save the contact information directly. So I will go to the mobile and show that information to you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.